At Toyota, we're doing everything we can to make sure people know about the Takata airbag recall, how to find out if their vehicle is affected, and how to schedule their free repair. That's why we've been on Facebook, built this webpage, and made all these videos.
I'd like to talk to you about the Takata airbag recall.
You should share that. We've sent out millions of mailers and emails. And yes, literally millions. We've produced PSAs, made phone calls, hosted events at dealerships and in the community. We've even knocked on doors. For you.
Thank you.
But as much as we've been doing, there are still millions of vehicles that need to be fixed. That's why we're asking you to help us get the word out. You can start by telling everyone you know just how serious this recall really is.
Those inflators could shoot sharp metal fragments inside the vehicle. This is serious stuff.
You can share one of our videos with your Facebook friends, forward an article to a coworker, or you can download and hand out one of the many available resources found right on this page. There's also a recall app that everyone should download. Tell your friends about it, your family, your entire neighborhood. It's an easy way to see if a vehicle is under recall and, if necessary, schedule a free repair. But whatever you decide, please do something, because someone's life might just depend on it.